Hello, welcome to my new video. The turning of the previous two types of metal is available on my channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you the design of a third type of metal. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now and support me with your likes and comments. In the first step, the initial sketch must be drawn. I use a hard round brush to draw the sketch. If you use the regular hard round brush or any type of the brush and you want to sharpen the tip of the brush manually, you can click on this sign to sharpen your brush tip. Now I reduce the size of the brush and I start to design the initial design. Now I use magic tool to make this part selected. I hold the shift key so that the several parts are selected at the same time. In order to be able to expand the selected margin, I follow this command: select, modify, expand, and finally the number 2. I choose the desired color for the background color and set it to the blue-gray. I press the Ctrl and Delete keys at the same time to change the background color of the selected rock. Now to select this part, I press Ctrl and D at the same time. I select the brush and make some correction. I choose dark color. Make sure that the foreground color square is selected. You can see the color palette tutorial from this video. I close the pixels. I choose the soft round brush. As I explained it in the previous sessions, this brush is unique to create shadows and lines. Opacity helps the colors not to look separate and blend together. I always use a Chalk 44 brush to create some texture. You can use this brush or any brush that creates such a line. I constantly use shortcut I and shortcut B. When you right-click on the page, this box will be opened for you. In this section, you can choose angle and shapes and even the size and the history brush, and you can change the desired brush. I will make this image into the selected state through the rectangular marquee and move it with the Move tool and remove the selected state with Ctrl D. I choose a higher layer. I click on edit option and perspective wrap and then enter. And now you have the ability to change the shapes of the selected area and put in perspective mode. And now click on them. Now I will copy and paste with Ctrl C, Ctrl V and Ctrl T to copy and paste the selected design into the selected state. Now I go to the previous step, edit perspective wrap, and now I move the design with perspective and finally put the tick mark. To merge the layers, I make the higher layer into the selected state and merge the two layers by pressing Ctrl and the E key at the same time. Now I use medium tip pastel brush. As I explained in the previous videos, blue, green and orange color can be used to show the roofs. And finally, the training of this method is finished. Thank you for watching my video till now. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now please. And press the bell so you will be notified for my next videos. Also, if you have any question, ask me in the comments. And if there is any tutorial that you want me to prepare a video for it, make sure to let me know and comment it for me. Thank you and see you in my next videos.